A lot of time goes into enhancing your skills as a goalkeeper because your reflexes and everything. A lot of time you have to train a lot to get the confidence to have that ball contact. Same like cricket, the batsman tells you like the ball is hitting the middle of the bat. For us, it's like the middle of the pad. You train a lot for that because you can do 100 things good, but if you concede a goal, the goal will be showcased like this is your mistake. So the players can do a lot of mistakes and get away with it, but we can't. So it's a job which requires a lot of focus because sometimes you're not involved in the game. You have to be standing there waiting for the ball to come, and if you're not ready, you concede. It's a hard thing mentally.